Hi everyone, my name is Nitin and welcome to my course on implementing forms in React. I am a freelance full stack developer and I help my clients in quickly launching their product ideas to the market. Forms are the primary mode of collecting user input on web apps. For React developers like you, this means that the forms you add to your apps need to be flawless, as a poorly implemented form can not only lead to bad user experience but also data loss. In this course, we are going to deep dive into all the concepts that you need to understand in order to add high quality forms to your React applications. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding differences between controlled and uncontrolled forms, implementing forms using libraries like Formik and React Hook Form, adding data validation to your forms using libraries like Yup, and creating reusable custom form elements. By the end of this course, you will be very comfortable creating forms in React that can not only support a wide variety of user inputs but are smooth, consistent, and airtight when collecting data from the user. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of React. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn React with the Implementing Forms in React course at Pluralsight.